Let's see what there's to do in Port Orange, Florida. First, let's start with some historic places. Here we have the Daytona Beach Coquina Clock Tower. This clock tower is located on the shores of Daytona Beach next to the Daytona Beach Bandshell and has been seen as a symbolic landmark for the city since 1938. Here we have the Ponce de Leon Inlet Lighthouse and Museum. This lighthouse has been very well preserved and was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1998. What about some amusement parks and water parks? Well, on the boardwalk, you can explore to find fun shops, arcades, restaurants, and even some thrill rides, including a roller coaster from Delaware from my hometown. And then close by, we have Daytona Lagoon, which is a water park and arcade that offers water slides, lazy river, and wave pools. Next, we have a bunch of parks. At the Yarl Children's Park, you can play at a pirate-themed playground, eat lunch at some picnic tables, visit a dog park, and play tennis and softball. This is fun for all families to enjoy. Nearby, we have Spruce Creek Park, which offers picnic tables, canoe rides, or simply a playground for children to play at. And then if you want to get to learn some stuff, you can visit the library. Port Orange Regional Library offers hundreds of books, movies, and magazines for the public to use, with a library card, of course, but they're free to set up. And then for education, we have Spruce Creek High School, where my uncle actually teaches and my cousins attend. And then we have Port Orange Elementary School, which is nearby, and then Creekside Middle School. And then if you get injured, there is the Florida Hospital Memorial Medical Center, which is huge and really efficient. I hope you enjoyed your time in Port Orange.